I built this workflow that can post in various social media platform. So it can post images like on Facebook, you can see that, or it can also post on Instagram by automatically, you can see that. Now I can open my account, I can show you. Let's open Facebook and I can show you my page, so it can post it. I can guide you also the workflow and the tool that I use in the video. Okay, let's move to our page. Click on this. I think it is not clicking. Simply we need to move that. Go to live tips, click on this. Now we are moving to our page. This is the page that I use. Here you can see it is the post test, and this is the post. Sometimes you just have to get fed up with yourself, and this is the post that you can see that, and it are also posted on Instagram. Let's guide you through the workflow. So this workflow can extract Instagram quotes. This is the channel that I find some quotes. You can use any channel, any, if you use wallpaper, like anything, you can simply paste your channel, replace the channel, and it can post from there. So you need a rapid API key, and click on private response. For with that we need a rapid API. So I go to Telegram and Telegram image scraper, go to header, not header, go to coordinate snippet. You can see here you can get everything. This is the host. Simply copy that and paste it here. A successful page, and simply add HTTPS. Then go to add this slash to from this here and replace your channel. Then post XRapid API key and paste the value and just save it. Now open a Facebook. I can also guide you through. Simply choose or click on here and click on download photo from URL and drag image value from, go to result and drag image value here. So I already dragged, I don't do that. And here I simply need to write caption. I simply write live quotes, and here I need some text and some hashtag. I simply write that and just save it. Now I open on Instagram and same I do with photo URL and with caption also. I simply write some hashtag quotes that change your life. So I simply write that and just save it and just save it. Now it can automatically run it in the backend and post it in our social media platform. Okay, bye. I think I provide this workflow for you on the description on the Gumroad. Okay, we meet in next video. Let's explore that.